Hi, guys, I hope you guys can hear me. I'm checking the internet later on, but today, if you didn't know, some countries are taking in a big thunderstorm and also possibly turn into a tornado. I'm right now in one of them, and yeah, this isn't gonna go good for me, either for people. I'm probably not gonna survive. If I don't survive, please subscribe to me. Anyway, so today is supposed to be an upload. I want to just heads up you guys a little bit. Okay, let's just begin this battle. Hey guys, tell me in the comments below if you guys want me to play different games. Like I can get Minecraft. Don't have it ready. I have Minecraft. If you guys want me to play Minecraft, I got CD. Crap! Tell me what you guys want me to play, because I'm playing right now. Today I'm actually in the dumpster. I sit there again, and please help me, guys. If my videos are really cringy, my videos are supposed to be really cringy, guys. Okay? So if you think my videos are really cringy, you guys know why it's cringy. They're supposed to be cringy enough to make you cringe. That's the main part of my goal. Especially the games, I'm cringing it out now. Oh shit, okay. Go with this battle. Oh no. Guys, I got somebody in mind that wants to play with me. Oh shit, am I on? Oh crap. Oh shit, oh shit. Bull has to be there, then Ed Primo has to be there. That is bad. Waiting for 4 points, okay. Guys, I do have a call. I got a call, so guys, if you hear me lost, definitely it's because I have a cold today. And pollen's been making my eyes irritate, dude. Life here, I'm not telling which country. I don't want to get clickbaited. It's been rough today. Eyes want to really cold. Can't go outside anymore. Barely can go outside anymore. Alright, guys, this is a sponsor or anything. I just want to say this. Subscribe to Mr. Beast. He's super funny. He does memes. Get killed, kid. Get killed, kid. I'm on fleek today. You always have to shoot first. See, I'm on fleek today. Only one more hit on this guy, and then I got this. Oh, jeez, I'm in some. I see him, I see him, I see him. Don't think he sees me yet, though. He has to move. Come on, move, dude. That's a storm or anything. There we go, warning. That's how you do it now. In the middle of a thunderstorm, maybe slash tornado can come. Anything having a cold just hurts my head. Also, help me out. I just got my food shot. Yes, quality memes. This one's game call, sorry. Quality memes. Subscribe if you want memes. I told you I'm actually getting a call. I can't. Quality memes. Guys, I can't believe this ever happened. My first ever video gets scrapped. My second video, I recheck everything, all the footage. Guess it doesn't get scrapped. Thank you for letting me post a video that's supposed to be the same thing. Oh, that's one of my friends up there. I'm not telling you who he is. Yeah. Time to go for the memes. There we go. Quality memes. Yeet! Get on my way, dude. He has healing now. Oh, shoot. There we go. Yeet! One more shot. Okay, there we go. Oh, shoot. Don't take damage. That's three play. Don't place. Why am I saying 3? Originates is going to the next level now. Let's do this now. What are they called? Let's get second place. How'd you go, guys? Guys, I had to leave the video today. Bye.